YouTube? We back at it sliding, man. Today we about to get some stuff done. I'm about to go ahead and head to the RV real quick. I gotta go pay these people real fast. Hopefully it's my first and last time. Like I said before, when I had to move it in, I did not want to be here longer than 2 months, man. So hopefully everything will work out. But we're about to get that done. Then we gotta head to the shop. We gotta drop some parts off to Antonio, and then a few other things. But we're about to work on that the 2015 Roadglide, get some stuff done for that. And then we're about to work on that anniversary Road King, man. So stay tuned. We sliding, not hiding. Y'all know what's going on, man. Enter the win for that silver bullet that we driving right now, sliding, man. We got the thing out here, juiced up, cleaned up, looking good, man. You already know what's going on. This thing is tip top. A1, man, looking good with all the goodies and gadgets. If you want action at winning this, you already know you get to win this plus a 2019 Roadglide special, man, 114 M8. That's going to be powder coated up with the bars, exhaust, 2118 custom seat and more. So you already know, if you want action at that, go in the description below. Go on BuiltByDre.BigCartel.com, man. Go ahead and cop you a red Kicks by Dre cap. That's going to be your entry to win into the silver bullet giveaway, man. You already know what's going on, man. We working, getting it in, making it happen, y'all. We sliding. What up, YouTube? We back up in the shop, man. We just left Harley and left Antonio's shop. I took him the doors for the Roadglide to get them color match to match the bike, so we got that on the way. We went and did that. We had the Harley. We got the exhaust gaskets for the 2021 Roadglide right here. We're gonna go ahead and finish up and put that D&D exhaust and bolt it up. As soon as we do that, we're gonna damn near be done. All we gotta do is put the floorboards on and jump the battery and give it a start, and then it's gonna be ready for the owner. So stay tuned for that. That's one bike out of the shop. You already know up next, we will have that 03 anniversary back there leaving. So that's up next on the chalking board. So stay tuned, man. We're about to get everything going and flowing, man. So if you haven't entered the win for our 2019 Roadglide paired together with our 2015 Lifted Chevy Silverado 1500, go ahead below and get you a red Kicks by Dre cap in the description below. That one cap is gonna be your one entry to win that joint. You can get you 10 caps if you want, but make sure you enter to win, man, because you get to get the bike and the truck, the bike on the back of that thing, and it's gonna be sliding wet back to back, man. You already know what time it is. We're going up, making it happen, man. So stay tuned, get in to win that, man. Get in while you can. Today only, we got it on sale for $50 right now, man. On sale for $50, yes. After that, it's back to 100, so take advantage of it while you can, man. We sliding, you already know what's going on. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got it going. I know it's a little bit of dark, but we got it going, man. Only thing we got to finish doing is literally putting on that air breather. Besides that, we got the floorboard on, the front floorboard, the rear floorboard, crash bar tightened up. The exhaust is fully bolted on there front to back. We got everything going, the CVO, everything. This is my seat because he never gave me one, so I'm gonna do a quick test ride. But y'all see what's going on. This thing is looking juiced up and good, man. We finally got it going. So it's time to slide on this joint real fast around the shop, man. But we definitely gonna start up to hear this new D&D exhaust. So let's test that out real quick. Make sure we got it in neutral. Radio on. Everything looking good, baby. Yes, sir. We are in neutral. Fuel pump on. No fuel leaking. We're good. sliding, man. We're trying to get these joints out here sliding. Got that good LED high beam looking good. Yes, sir, man. This thing is looking juiced up. And the exhaust definitely sound hella aggressive. Yes, sir. Say it ain't so, baby. We're sliding on, man. Y'all see what's going on. We literally making it happen. I'm about to go get Ace from school, go to my mom's to grab the trailer. We're gonna come get this thing, tow it, and take it to the car wash and drop it off to the owner, man. So stay tuned. Y'all see what's going on, man. We working, making it happen, man. Y'all see it. It's coming live from the channel, man. Y'all see it, man. Built by Dre out here getting it in, trying to get it done, man.